November 9, on a rainy day, I saw a flock of birds passing by twice. And after the second round, I turned on my video and asked God, Lord, please let me see them the third time around, and that's how I will truly know that I am blessed. And somehow, something in my heart was saying, but you are already blessed. Sadly, I ended up not being able to film the third round. But as I edited this video, pause. Right there, I was actually able to film a flock of birds while being unaware. And I realized how amazing God is because most of the times we are really unaware of our blessings. Sometimes we keep waiting and waiting for miracles, for blessings to come, but we fail to realize that the blessing has already been given by God. He gives the blessings in very unexpected ways, and He never fails to surprise us. That's why, with our very own human nature, we must always remember that even on a rainy day or on a sunny day, remember to recognize your blessings and miracles in your life and be grateful.